Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the alginate impression is fully set and free of debris. This matters because trapped particles ruin surface detail. Next, measure stone and water precisely. Most kits use a specific powder-to-water ratio, so follow the label. Once measured, pre-wet your mixing bowl and position the impression on a stable base inside a small container to contain overflow. Make sure to have a vibrating platform ready. Vibration collapses air and ensures the stone fills fine anatomy. You mix stone to a creamy, consistent paste, add powder into water while spatulating to reduce lumps, then degas if you can. Once mixed, wet the impression lightly if recommended, then pour from one corner, letting the stone flow and fill undercuts naturally. Use a vibrator while you feed material to displace air. Short bursts are better than long shaking because they prevent separation. Make sure the base is built up to a usable thickness. This supports the cast and prevents breakage when you separate it later. You let the poured stone set undisturbed. Follow the product's working and setting times and allow an extra few minutes for full strength. When the stone is firm, carefully flex and peel the alginate away. Do not pry aggressively because that can fracture thin areas. Examine the cast closely. If you find small surface bubbles, you can patch them with a thin slurry of stone. If there are large voids in critical anatomy, repair from the impression or, if unavailable, remake the impression to ensure accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.